Hi ladies and gents, before we move on into the videos, I want you to first of all grab yourself a broker, and I suggest using Hot Forex. Hot Forex is a new company and they've been out for quite a while now, and they're pretty good. I must say the execution rates on these trades are extremely fast. There's very little slippage. For those of us that don't know what slippage is, it's basically how long it takes for your trade to actually get executed based on the volatility of the market. But there are ways around that by using your deviation little button when you open up your trades, but we'll get into that a little bit later on in the videos. So what I would like you to do is go ahead and first of all open up a live account, okay, because you can come back to this later. And in fact, you might actually, it really depends on you really, you might actually find that this will be better for you, because to be in the top 5% of the traders out there, it's not necessarily about how many good trades that you have. It's also about getting used to the emotional control and emotional setbacks that you will experience when you do trading. Now, unfortunately, us as human beings, we are scared of losing money. Okay, so you have to really get that mindset out of your mind and put a new mindset into your mind and become confident. Alright, if you become scared or whatever because you or unconfident or anything, you get like that because it's like the fear of the unknown. Okay, so you hesitate, and then when the market goes against you, you close your trade out, and then you walk away and you come back, and then the trade went back in your initial direction again. That's because if you have that feeling, it's because you're not feeling confident. Alright, or that is because you've got some emotional baggage there, excuse the phrase, that it prevents you from really reaching your optimal level. Now I've been there as well. Alright, so it's not new to any, it's not something that a few of us don't experience. It's a lot of us, actually, probably even the experienced traders. I mean, sometimes when I trade too many lots, I kind of get nervous. Alright, because sometimes I like to trade high risk. And when I'm talking high risk, I'm something just silly, but I won't even mention it. Alright, but sometimes you have to come back down from cloud 9 and trade properly, and let time be the judge of how well you do. Okay, because I put in like $20,000 into an account, and I turned it into $224,000 in 3 weeks. Then I lost it a week later. Alright, I didn't have a losing trade during those whole 3 weeks, and then the week later I trade too much high risk. I was just going nuts. If I had traders standing beside me, they probably would have slapped me in the side of the face, and laughed at me, for being an idiot. But that took quite a long time to sink into my mind, because I had this mindset where I was like, oh well, this is easy, good trade after good trade after good trade, seeing my balance double, quadruple, or even or whatever in one trade or 2 trades or 3 trades. And yes, it is very possible. Alright, so you gotta try and really be patient with this and treat it as an investment. One of the downfalls with traders is it's that they get too overconfident from time to time, and that's where what happened to me. So take it slowly. I'm going to be showing you in webinars. If you're a part of the webinar service, I'm going to be using my live account. Alright, and I'm only going to be using a small account. Okay, I'm going to be using one of these accounts for demonstration purposes. Okay, I also have one of these as well. Alright, but I'm not going to let you I'm not going to show that account. Alright, but this one I actually put a little bit of money in, about $550. Okay, and it's now, well, I've taken out the 550 the other week, and today is the 18th of March 2011, so I got paid that, and now I'm sitting with about $1,300 in the account at the moment. Alright, so I've more than tripled my balance, and this happened over a period of a month.